Schilling. I'm one of the flight test engineers working on the CS300 FTV7 aircraft. As you see, the aircraft is getting prepared for high-speed taxi testing that will happen today. So high-speed taxi, what it is? So the aircraft will accelerate. So we'll check the different things, different systems. Accelerate from 80 knots, 100 knots, V1, the decision speed, and we'll check the brakes. We'll do some light braking, medium braking, and max braking, and we'll check the aircraft behavior during this test. And we'll test different systems, and we'll test also flight controls. So this is important testing today, because it's the last things we'll do before getting airborne, so for the first flight. So it's very important for Bombardier that everything is working well, and this aircraft is quite in good shape, so that should be working very well today.